lovely. I feel really proud of Dr. Pai for writing this book, and she really is such a lovely person and has so much knowledge to expense to people, so I'm glad that she's finally put it all in a book together.
Do you believe that men also need the skincare?
I think everyone needs skincare that feels like they need skincare. I know working in the entertainment business, more than anything, I feel like you should have fresh, clean looking skin. So I think it depends on whether you feel, of course men can use it, of course.
What appears to you, like who has the best skin, like among the people in the entertainment industry or otherwise?
You know, I've never observed that. I can't answer that question.
Does it really worry you, like an anti-aging thing, like rather than what is the thing like you do?
I don't think I'm at an age yet where I need to worry too much about that, but I think that it's really important just to take care of your skin, and Jamuna offers many different things that are not just necessarily anti-aging, but that, you know, clean up your skin, brighten your skin, laser treatments, and all kinds of things that are really helpful to people that want to take care of their skin. So I think anti-aging, to answer your question, I think anti-aging is something that I could worry about in the future, but not at the moment just yet.
I think the book talks more about the home remedy impact. Like, so what are the home remedies that you really do to take care of your skin? Yeah, something here and there.
I always talk to the person who's talking to me because it's very strange talking to a camera. Yeah, but right there.
What are the home remedies like you're talking about? As mentioned in the book, like there are lots of home remedies.
There are various different things. I haven't read the whole book as yet. I only started reading it last night. What do? I actually have an organic skincare line called Naked by Lisa Hayden, and that actually started from a lot of the homemade organic remedies that I was using myself. So one of my favorite ones is taking apricot kernel husk and blending it with almond oil, aloe vera, and honey. And I put that onto my face.
Lisa, do you have any World Cup memories, if I have to ask you?
I've been asked this question every single time I've gone to an event for the last 2 weeks. I think you've asked me this already. Oh, you haven't? World Cup memories. I remember India losing the semi-final in 96? Was it 96? Or was it 92?
99.
No, there was another, it wasn't 99.
Okay,
Okay, well, whatever year it was, I don't remember. I remember they didn't win and I was very upset.
Alright, so can you just say one thing that, you know, Lisa Hayden would want India to bring the cup back?
Lisa Hayden want India to bring the cup back.
Lisa, since Valentine's Day is coming, so I would
Oh,
like
no, that's too much.
which no one has to know about you.
If no one has to know, no one has to know. But this, I want everyone to know about. Everybody. Because besides Jamuna being one of the most amazing people you will ever meet, and one of the most amazing people I have ever met, and I've traveled a lot and met a lot of people, and she is really one of the best. Besides that, she is super talented. And this book has got all the secrets you need about your skin, so go and get it. No one has to know, but everyone should know.
As we differ from the topic, I would like to ask you about Mr. Obama's visit in India. Would you like to say something? How do you feel about it? And what about Shah Rukh Khan, mentioning Mr. Shah Rukh Khan during his speech?
Well, I'd say that it was a blessing. The rain that happened was God's showers on us. And, I'm sorry, this is down. The rain that happened was God's blessings on us, and I think it's fantastic that Obama came here. It's his second visit so recently, and that really tells a lot about the relationship between India and America. So.
Well, Diana, since you mentioned that it's a great thing that Obama came here, but also he spoke about Shah Rukh Khan, who, twice in the US was not given a visa to enter the country. So do you think it's somewhere down the line the prestige is being salvaged right now?
See, here's the thing, right? My personal feeling, it's personal to everybody, but I think with the situation that happened in with 2611, it is when you have a last name that is a Muslim last name and Khan, you can't not expect them to be careful. It's not like Shah Rukh was put behind bars. They were just careful about it because of his last name. And I think they were pretty fair after that. But not even if, when we did have the attacks in India, we were also careful. As much as we do have so many Muslims in our country itself, and we all live so happily together, we were also careful about people coming into the country. Our immigration was careful too. So you know what? It's a country being protective about themselves, about their territory, and I think they did fine after that.
And do you think this is?
Do you think it's a way that Obama actually could actually settle down the bad things that's happened in the past with the biggest superstar in India?
How about we talk about no one has
Just
to
one last
know?
answer if you could give, please, and we will get back.
I want to talk about no one has to know. Ask me questions about it.
We drift to World Cup. We drift to World Cup.
Tips about maintaining your skin, please, from your
We drift to World Cup.
You know, I've written a book on grooming, but when it comes to skincare, even I took my advice from Jamuna and her team, because Jamuna is not just a stalwart in it. Her experience, what I love the most about her, not her experience and her success, is not just because of the number of years that she has been in the industry. Full credit to, unlike a lot of people who are in different fields, right? They read up on the internet, they get articles and they read stuff about what's out there, what's new to learn. Whereas Jamuna travels, she travels the world, and she gets all her advice right up front, attending seminars, hearing from the best of the best, asking questions, and learning hands-on. So what we get is the fruit of all that labor of hers, and we benefit.
Okay, now we are drifting to World Cup now.
Now you're drifting to the World Cup. Let's just cover all
Yeah,
sources.
just tell us
Terribly.
like कोई यादगार हिंदी में बोले ताकि डायरेक्ट आपके विषय तुम तक पहुंचेंगे।
मैं कोशिश करूंगी, कहिए।
उनकी जो हमारी जो इंडियन टीम है वो क्रिकेट के लिए जा रही है वर्ल्ड कप के लिए कुछ विशेष देना चाहेंगे आप?
Yeah, and do you have any good World Cup memories?
Wow, I have one World Cup memory especially. जब India और पाकिस्तान ने खेले थे, we played at, I think it was Old Trafford, and I was there. It was in, what was it, 98? When the World Cup was at that time. And that was before the finals, but it was as good as the finals because it was a great match and we won. With our team going now, I'd say we've got a great team and we have got a great captain who's got a lot of passion, a lot of aggression, and at the end of it, it's sport and it's cricket. So it is our identity, I'd say. So all the best to our team. May they play the best they can, and may we win.
Who's your favorite like any of the player?
Stick to questions.
Yes, please, let's stick to this.
Please, only stick to
Let's
questions.
stick to this. Let's stick to this. My number's the
Do you
same,
have
but
any
let's
more
do.
questions for
Okay, guys, half of you have my numbers. If it's about anything else, call me. I'll chat with you all. But for now, let's stick to Jamuna, and no one has to know.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
जो वर्ल्ड कप फिनाले था इंडिया वर्सेस श्रीलंका, उस मैच की कोई याद? इट हैज बीन द जो जहां इंडिया ने जीता था, इंडिया वर्सेस श्रीलंका मैच था, उसकी कोई याद है? आप कहां देखा था आपने, कहां किसके साथ थे?
2011 वर्ल्ड कप फाइनल।
यस हाँ, इंडिया वर्सेस श्रीलंका कहां किसके साथ मैच देखा था आपने?
मैं उस वक्त हॉस्पिटल में थी और किसके साथ देखा था मैंने? मेरे हस्बैंड के साथ एक बहुत ही छोटे टेलीविज़न स्क्रीन पर मैंने फाइनल देखा।
कैसा था मतलब मोमेंट?
बहुत अच्छा सेलिब्रेटरी मोमेंट था, पर उस वक्त मेरे प्रेगनेंसी में एक कॉम्प्लिकेशन था। सो हियर आई एम टेलिंग यू समथिंग दैट नोबडी नोज, नो वन हैज़ टू नो, पर मैं बता रही हूँ। तो इट वाज अ मोमेंट ऑफ ग्रेट हैप्पीनेस दैट इंडिया वन द वर्ल्ड कप। पर दूसरी तरफ मैं ये कहूँगी कि आई हैड माई ओन इशूज़ गोइंग ऑन एट द टाइम ऑफ द फाइनल।
व्हाट आर योर अभी जो 2015 का इंडियन टीम जा रही है उसके लिए कोई विशेष?
क्या विशेष दे सकती हूँ मैं? हर इंडियन फ़ैन की तरह 1.2 बिलियन पीपल जो बिलीव करते हैं कि इंडिया ये वर्ल्ड कप जीतेगी, हम डिफेंडिंग चैम्पियंस हैं। मैं भी वैसे फील करती हूँ और मैं बिलीव करती हूँ कि डजेंट मैटर हाउ वी प्लेड इन द लास्ट मोस्ट रिसेंट सीरीज़, इट डज़ नॉट मैटर। बस मैं बाकी सब की तरह बिलीव करती हूँ वी आर द डिफेंडिंग चैम्पियंस एंड वी like Australia can have a winning streak, and we're going to miss Sachin. We're going to miss Yuvraj. He may or may not be in the team, we don't know, but it's going to be a great World Cup. It's going to be a memorable World Cup, as every World Cup always is.
And you want the World Cup back?
Of course, World Cup back means it's not going anywhere.
Okay, thank you so much.